Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial on pivot table. Today I want to show us how to present values in percentages and how you can easily interpret based on how you arrange them in rows and columns. Stick with me. So if I am having my values in different age groups, I'm summarizing in different age groups and I want to see the total profit for each age group. So this gives me the total profit of each age group. We get that, right? Now if I want to see them in percentages of the total profit of the sum, I'll double click on this, my header, and as long as I'm on sum, I go to show values as, and I select percentage of grand total from this drop down list. And if I do that and select OK, I now have the values in percentages. 50% of the total profit were generated by adults. Also, we can summarize this data in terms of rows and columns, right? And let's say I want to see in each age group the gender. Alright, so now remember what we select was percentage, or what we selected was percentage of grand total. So this data shows that 25.19% of the total profit that was made came from females that were adults. That 17.30% of the total profit made came from females that were young adults. 25.46% of total profit made came from males that were adults. Alright? That 13.58% of the total profit made were youth. I hope this makes sense. However, we can also do much more than that. For example, we can have this value in percentage of column total. In that case, we are saying that 49.77% of the total profit made by males were adults. Notice the difference. That 35.25% of the total profit made by males were young adults. In this time, you're not interpreting the results based on grand total, but based on each column's total. So 12.56% of the total profits made by females were from the youth demography. 35% of the total profit made by females were from the young adult demography. I can also express this value in terms of percentage of row total, where this time around I'm relating each variable based on the percentage, or based on the total profit generated from each row. So 50.27% of the total profit generated from adults were male. 48.96% of the total profit generated from young adults were female. So that's how you can express your results in percentages to help you see better insight and interpret your results better. Alright guys, see you on our next